Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Blue Buffalo Sticks Dog Treats. Blue Sticks Dog Treats are made with delicious real beef as the first ingredient for a flavor no canine can resist. Your dog's favorite, tasty treats come in convenient, pocket-sized packs perfect for snacking, training, and treating on the go. For dogs that love a meaty treat, Blue Sticks are tender, meaty rolls of pure canine bliss. Break them up into smaller pieces for training treats or smaller dogs, or feed them whole and watch those tails wag. These dog treats don't contain any chicken byproduct meals and are free from corn, wheat and soy. Plus, they're free from artificial preservatives like propylene glycol and colors like red dye 40. Blue Buffalo natural dog treats feature the healthy, wholesome ingredients you'll love feeding as much as they'll love eating. Number 2 in this best puppy treats list is Just Food for Dogs Dog Treats. Just food for dogs with one goal in mind: to improve the length and quality of life for as many pets as possible. Made with simple ingredients that dogs love. There are no added chemicals or preservatives. Only honest-to-goodness human edible chicken breast in these delicious and healthy dog treats. This real meat dog treats use no artificial coloring or growth hormones. In fact, we've left out the entire alphabet soup of chemicals some other dog snacks contain. No BHA. No BHT. Even our packaging is BPA-free. Refrigerate after opening. Unlike hard dog cookies, these treats have a chewy, semi-crisp texture dogs love. Plus, they're filled with the wholesome goodness of real chicken to help your dog look and feel their best. Think of these like the secret weapon in your treat bag. Whether you're working with a puppy or a seasoned adult dog, they'll find these dog training treats irresistible. This chicken dog treats are handmade to meet our high standards and baked in our local kitchens to ensure the health and safety of your pet. Our third choice is Wellness Soft Puppy Bites Treats. These delicious, grain-free soft treats are made with 2 kinds of fresh meat plus added vitamins specially for puppies and a natural source of DHA to promote healthy brain development. These moist and tasty treats are made with whole fruits and veggies including superfoods like blueberries and sweet potatoes for a naturally craveable flavor and a boost of antioxidants. This craft delicious treats with simple, natural, high-quality ingredients chosen for their nutritional benefits, no meat byproducts, artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. From puppy to senior, small dog to large breed, crunchy to chewy, grain to grain-free, treating to training, we've got an all-natural recipe for every dog's needs and taste. These bite-sized soft treats are the perfect rewards during training sessions or anytime you want to thank your dog for good behavior. For details, let's watch more.
Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Danielle Bernal, and I'm the veterinarian here at Wellness Natural Pet Foods. If you've got a puppy and you want to do training and rewarding as well, because hey, that's the time to be doing all of that training, well, this is where we've also got a fabulous product for you. And this one is what I've got highlighted here, which is our Puppy Bites. Now these are very, very similar to what I just showed you in the Well Bites, but they're designed for puppies, so they're a little bit smaller. And this is actually the #1 selling puppy product on the treat space for wellness and of course across Amazon. So a fabulous one. Anyone who did that pandemic puppy, make sure you're gifting them out these ones. It, as I said, is such a great flavour, great for getting that training and rewarding happening, so that then not only can that puppy have a great, happy, healthy holidays, but they can learn a few new tricks at the same time. Now, the other thing with puppies is that these will come not only in the soft and chewy, but they'll also come in a crunchy version as well. And these, you have to see them up close. But these are simply adorable because they come in little tennis ball shapes, little kennels, and of course little hearts. So again, put one of these together for a new puppy parent, and of course that's going to be simply the most divine gift that they could possibly be giving, with health, happiness, and hey, a tasty.
fourth pick in this best puppy treats list is Blue Buffalo Soft Moist Dog Treats. Blue Bits dog training treats are made with delicious real chicken as the first ingredient, making them an ideal reward for your best friend's best behavior. Larger dogs often prefer larger treats, and the Blue Buffalo Bits Soft Moist Dog Treats are a popular choice due to their high-quality ingredients and generous size. The soft treats are shaped like hearts and are easy to break in half if you want to give your puppy smaller pieces. They are available in a variety of flavors, with the chicken recipe using real chicken as the first ingredient. Brown rice, oatmeal, and flaxseed are included, as well as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and DHA for healthy skin, fur, and cognitive development. The treats contain no meat byproducts, corn, wheat, soy, preservatives, or artificial colors or flavors, and their appealing scent makes them popular with puppies. Our fifth and last choice is Pupford Freeze Dog Treats. The best training treats for dogs on Amazon that's great for puppies and older dogs. For you to accomplish your training goals, you need a healthy, high-value training treat that will make your life as a pup parent 100x easier. Keeping your pup's attention is essential when training. These soft dog treats will get your pup's attention and help maintain that much-needed laser focus. The training a pup is no easy task for a young, old, small, medium, or large dog. That's why we offer a 100% free online dog training class led by Zach George. Combine these free training, 30-day perfect pup videos with freeze-dried training treats and a high-value reward for the best pup experience. At Pupford, we stand behind all our products. If you have issues, contact us and we'll make it right. With simple, natural ingredients, our healthy dog treats are the healthiest on the market. Period. Made with only 3 simple ingredients or less. Each treat is less than 1 kilocalorie and each bag is over 475 treats inside, so it lasts long for lots of rounds of practicing tricks and commands. All ingredients and dog treats made in the USA. All treats are freeze-dried to maintain nutrients and taste. No fillers, junk, sugar, or other unhealthy ingredients. Your dog will drool over the taste of these, and that's incredibly important when you're in a training session. Your pup will focus better because of the delicious flavor, savory smell, and small size of every treat. They're also perfect for the simple attaboy reward. Having a variety of dog snacks is sometimes important for reinforcing your dog, so we've got multiple flavors to switch between for the same great tricks. For details, let's watch more.
And these are not your ordinary dog treats. In fact, they only have 2 ingredients in them. Freeze-dried treats like this are amazing because they're extremely flavorful and of course they're less processed than many commercial treats. Treats like this actually keep well at room temperature. Virtually every dog likes beef liver. These are a nice size. You get around 450 treats in one bag, and you can even break them up half or a quarter size to get even more. That's a ton of dog training potential in every bag. Keep these throughout your house so that you can quickly have a very high value reward when your dog is doing something just like that, lying down without me even asking. When you're really focused on teaching your dog something new, you don't want to use a second-rate treat. You can use these with dogs of all ages too. I strongly recommend that you get these Pupford treats. I'm going to have a link